Eating small meals throughout the day has been a game changer for me. I used to be the type of person who would skip breakfast, have a light lunch, and then indulge in a huge dinner. I thought I was being healthy by saving my calories for the end of the day, but I was actually doing more harm than good. When I started eating small meals every few hours, I noticed a significant difference in my energy levels. I no longer experienced that mid-afternoon slump where I would feel sluggish and unfocused. By fueling my body consistently throughout the day, I was able to maintain a steady level of energy that kept me alert and productive. Not only did eating small meals improve my energy levels, but it also helped me control my cravings. When I used to skip meals or eat sporadically, I would often find myself reaching for unhealthy snacks to satisfy my hunger. But by eating small meals regularly, I was able to keep my cravings in check and make healthier food choices. I also noticed a positive impact on my metabolism. By eating small meals throughout the day, I was able to keep my metabolism revved up and burning calories efficiently. This helped me maintain a healthy weight and even lose a few pounds without feeling deprived or hungry. Another benefit of eating small meals is that it helped me stay more mindful of my eating habits. When I would skip meals or eat large portions, I would often eat mindlessly and not pay attention to my body's hunger cues. But by eating small meals, I was able to tune into my body's signals and eat when I was truly hungry, rather than out of boredom or habit. In addition to the physical benefits, eating small meals also had a positive impact on my mental health. I found that I was less irritable and moody when I was consistently fueling my body with nutritious food. I also noticed an improvement in my concentration and focus, which helped me be more productive at work and in my daily tasks. Overall, incorporating small meals into my daily routine has been a game changer for me. It has improved my energy levels, helped me control my cravings, boosted my metabolism, and enhanced my overall well-being. I no longer view food as something to be restricted or feared, but rather as a source of nourishment and fuel for my body. And for that, I am truly grateful.